7, 8.
Their feet close, hand in hand, warm like wraps, the ocean air. Every look says, meet me there. Christ above, with arms so wide, watching every hit that slides. Neon lips and velvet tone, Rio pulls you to the bone. Rhumbumbumba, Rhumbumbumba, Rio. Uno, dos, tres. Rhumbumbumba, Rhumbumbumba, Rio. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Streets with a sultry sway, eyes locked in a teasing way, sweat on skin, late night zone, backbeat drum feels like home, sugar smiles, daring stares, every move says meet me there, turn so tight, don't let go, feel that pull, nice and slow. Rhumbumbumba, Rhumbumbumba, Rio. Uno, dos, tres. Rhumbumbumba, Rhumbumbumba, Rio. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Hands lie down, stop right there. Hold that pose, feel the air. Count it out, let it roll. 1, 2, 3, Rio. Moon on Copacabana sand, bare feet close, hand in hand, warm night wraps the ocean air. Every look says, meet me there.
This dance is Rhumbumbumba, choreographed by Rob Fowler. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, side together, triple forward, right, left foot, side together, triple forward, left, left. Section 2, rock, right, forward, recover, triple back, right, walk back, left, coaster, step. Section 3, weave. Cross, side, behind, point left to side, cross, quarter turn left, stepping back on right, triple back, left, left. Last section, rock right, back, recover, right kick, ball change, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Weights on my left, I'm facing 9 o'clock and I start over with the rumba shuffle forward. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.